What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here in the shop. I want to show you guys the gooseneck. I finally have it finished, except for one thing. I'm going to stain the floor with some motor oil and diesel mixed up. But first, let me show you what it looks like here for those of you who have not seen. Probably going to go ahead and upgrade those inside tires at some point. I just put new tires on the outside and left some of the old ones on the inside. Try to save a little bit of money for the time being, but I'll probably upgrade those at a later date. But see what she looks like there. And I have steam cleaned, pressure washed this floor today, and it's still a little bit damp, but I think it'll be okay. I want to go ahead and get this thing coated while I have time to do so. So we're going to mix up some oil and diesel in here and go ahead and do that. I've got a 2.5 gallon jug here that I've cut the side out of, and I've got a paint roller over here, right here, that I think will work pretty good for this on an extension. So I'm just going to pour some oil in here, some diesel oil, black diesel oil, and mix a little diesel in with it. And that's what we're going to use as some stain. Man, lighting is horrible today. But anyway, that's what I'm going to use as stain. And so let's get started. Got to mix up a little bit more. Alright guys, I've got 3 coats of it on there. It hadn't got through soaking in yet. I just finished up. It's getting kind of late. I want to go ahead and wrap this video up. But it'll soak in overnight there. You guys will get to see it again, I'm sure, in another video when it's all the way soaked in and everything. It won't be quite this black. But anyway, I sure am glad to be finally finished with this project. I don't even know how many weeks it's been or months it's been or whatever. But sure am glad to have it done, and now I can actually start using it and whatnot. So anyway, thanks for watching, for all you guys that stay tuned for all the episodes, or however many of them it's been at this point. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm tired. I'm gonna wrap this video up, go edit it, and try to get it posted and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.